Hello, my name is Rachel and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a 10 minutes Pilates and ballet inspired stretch. This is a perfect complement to a video I did with these weights, which was also 10 minutes. So you can put the two together or you can do this one on its own. Anyway, you don't need anything at all. So go ahead, get yourselves ready and I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so let's start with our feet hip width apart. I want you to draw your tummy muscles in and take the weight over into your right leg. So we're going to slowly lift that left leg up. All right, hands around the knee and then pulling that knee in towards you. As far as you can towards your chest. Good. From there, you're going to release that leg. Trying to keep our balance, we're going to step back and then come into a nice deep lunge. So I want you to start with your back heel down, your abdominals in, and find that lovely stretch in the bottom of your leg. Good. And then from there, we're going to push our weight back into the right foot and we're going to lift ourselves back up. Bringing that knee up, hugging it into the chest. See if you can hug it in a little tighter. Good. And then we're going to reach it back. And into a nice lunge. Lift your arms up. And then you reach your arms back, down, forward, and up. Back, down, forward, and up. One more. Back, down, forward, and up. Well done. Now take your right arm back, your left arm forward. And then we're just going to pull the abdominals in and a little rotation of the head to the right. Very challenging on the balance, and then bring it back. Bring the arm back and step forward. Let's try that on the other side. So weight into the left leg, lifting up, taking hold of that knee and drawing that knee in towards you. So get it as tight and as close to your chest as you can, then releasing it with control, stepping back. And leaning forward so we get that nice stretch through the base of the leg there. Good. Now take the weight back into the front leg, pull your abdominals in and bring that leg back up, drawing in. See if you can pull in a little further this time. Good. Release that leg with control, stepping back. That's it, leaning into it. And bring the arms up. Circle them back, down and forward. Up, back, down and forward. Up, back, down and forward. Now we're going to take the left arm back, reach it behind you, and then we're going to turn the head all the way around looking towards that hand. Good. And then bring it back and step forward. From here, take a breath in, breathe out, take the chin to the chest. Softening your knees, pulling your abdominals in and rounding forward, taking the hands down, reaching the right leg back, reaching the left leg back, coming into a nice plank position, and then we're going to slide the right leg forward and take it onto a slight angle, and then we're going to come down. So it's like pigeon pose. Okay, and we're going to try and get a nice stretch in the hip. Use your arms and your upper body to guide you, sinking down to wherever feels good for you. Well done. Now I want you to sit back on that hip. All right, so we're rotating. So we end up in this position. All right, now you're going to hold on to this leg. You're going to bring this arm up and we're going to stretch over to the side. Good. And come back. Stretch to the other side. Good. And up. Now you're going to try and rotate that chest around. Flex that foot, and I want you to think of your whole body trying to turn as you reach down. Okay, so we're trying to reach down this leg, but I want you to keep the abdominals pulling in. It's pretty tricky. What we're trying to do is get the stretch around your back. This is not so much the leg, it's more here in the back. Okay, good. And you're going to come up. We're going to rotate back to your pigeon pose. That's it, good. Now tuck the toes under that outstretched leg. Lift the knee, push into the hands, pull the abdominals in. Take that leg back, bring the other leg forward. So we're going to do exactly the same thing. So first of all, just sinking in to your pose, just finding the stretch. Okay, wherever feels good for you. That's it, well done. Now think of sitting down onto that hip, rotating around. So I know I've got my back to you, but you can see what we're doing. All right, taking the arms out, and we're going to go over towards the leg, side stretch. Lift up and stretch away. And up, this time rotating around towards that leg, looking down that leg and coming into a stretch. Trying to find the stretch here in your back. Well done, coming up, rotating back. So back into your pigeon pose. That's it. Tuck the toes under, lift that knee, push the floor away, coming up and then lifting up into your up stretch. Lower those heels, lift those heels and come down. And again, lifting up, lower the heels, lift the heels and down. One more, lifting up. Lower the heels, lift the heels and down. And then this time we're going to bring the legs around. Put the bottom of your feet together. Lift up nice and tall. Take a breath in. Breathe out, leaning forward. And at the same time pressing down on those knees. Well done. Good. Come and lie down on your mat. And let's bring that right knee in, all the way into the chest. Okay. Now you're going to extend that leg, holding on wherever you can. And we're just going to gently pull the leg towards us and release. Gently towards you and release. Try and keep your leg as straight as you can. You want to feel the stretch now. We're doing hamstring, okay? You're going to hold it here and we're going to add a little flex of the foot and point the toes. Flex the foot, point the toes. Flex the foot, point the toes. Flex the foot, hold it there, bring that left leg up, point the toes, take that leg down. And same thing, so take a breath in, breathe out, gently pull the leg towards you and release. Towards you and release. Towards you and release. Towards you, flexing that foot. Good. Lovely. And point the toes, lower that leg down. And I want you to bend your knees. Take your arms out to the side and just let your knees go over to your left, holding it here. And then we're going to bring that knee up and take it down. And then reach it back and together. Lift the knee up, take it down, reach it back, and together one more, up and down, reach it back, together. Now open the knee up, all the way up and out to the side, and then bring that other knee over. Same thing the other way, so the knee goes up and back, then it slides away and back, up and back, slides away and back. One more, up, back, slides away and back. Then you're going to open that knee all the way out. Good. And come back. Well done. Bring yourself over onto your side. And let's lengthen that body along the floor. We're going to bend that bottom knee. This leg you're going to bend. If you can, I want you to take hold of the foot. And then rest your head down. Take a breath in. Breathe out and press that foot away. And if you can't take hold of the foot, you can use a resistance band or a towel or a yoga strap to hold that foot, or you could just place the foot on the floor and reach it back. That's your alternative, okay? So really important to stretch out the front of the thigh. Good. Well done. And come back. Let's go up. Switch sides. So lengthen that body, bend the bottom leg, lift the top leg, and then take hold of the foot. Take a breath in, breathe out, and reach that knee back. So we want that knee more or less in line with the hip. That's it. Good. Bring it back. Okay, roll onto your back. And then we're going to lift both legs up. Okay, and I want you to pull the knees all the way into the chest. Take them out to the side and circle around. In and circle. In and circle. In and circle. One more. In and circle around. Let's go back the other way. So you're going to go away, out and in. Nice circles. Good. 3, 2, 1. Well done. You're going to hold on behind those thighs, lift your head and chest and bring yourself up. And then from here, I want you to have leg nearest to me out straight. Other leg, you're going to bend at the knee and let it drop out to the side. So you're sitting up nice and tall. Okay, hands here. And then I just want you to walk your hands forward. And keep walking forward to wherever feels okay for you. All right, now pull your abdominals in. Let's try and flex this foot. And if you can, you're going to take hold of that foot to give yourself a little bit of traction. And then try and bring yourself a little bit closer to that thigh. Wherever feels good for you. Good. And slowly come up. Let's switch legs. Sitting up nice and tall. Okay. Hands down. And just gently walk those hands forward. Trying to keep your body straight. That's it. Good. To wherever you can. Flexing the foot. Taking hold of that foot or the leg. And gently pulling yourself deeper into that stretch. Well done. Slowly come on up. And there you are. That is your lovely short stretch and release workout. I hope that felt good for you. Don't forget to like this video. Please do share it with a friend or family member and do subscribe. Don't forget as well, you can always leave me a comment down below because I do read them all. All right, so thank you very much for watching. Take care and have a lovely day. If you'd like to support me and this channel, then you can buy me a virtual cup of coffee on Ko-fi. See all the details down below in the description box.